At this year's Bauma, the world's leading trade fair for the construction sector, the Construction Climate Challenge Initiative hosted the seminar Climate Challenges in Infrastructure Projects.
We, as an industry, are part of the problem. Therefore, we as an industry must be part of the solution and take the lead in this.
If we keep building the way that we are building today, we are contributing and on track to a 6-degree scenario of global warming, the results of which would be catastrophic. It's really scary, but the good news is that we know that we can change that trajectory, and that if we make significant, dramatic changes in the way that we're working today, we can actually achieve a 2-degree scenario.
A panel of experts presented the challenges and solutions to minimizing the carbon footprint of infrastructure projects.
In total, the emissions amounts to about the same figure as the total emissions from all the passenger cars used in Sweden. And a bit less than half of the emissions comes from buildings, and a little bit more than half of the emissions comes from civil engineering, from building roads, railways, and other infrastructure projects.
One of the most ambitious infrastructure projects underway in Europe is the British High Speed 2 railway project. The project's climate change and CO2 specialist, Mark Fenton, discussed how procurement practices can minimize carbon emissions.
Procurement is key. We're entirely reliant on our supply chain to deliver a low carbon infrastructure, and we need to make sure that the commercial arrangements that we develop enable and appropriately incentivize our supply chain to minimize carbon.
Also participating in the seminar was Dave Ross, who presented a vision of a completely electrified worksite.
We believe in order to make a typical quarry much more efficient and the machines more efficient, we want to build an electric site. We're talking about clean electric machines, automated machines through their intelligence, and also connected together machines so we can control the site. In this design, in our estimates, we believe we can take out 95% of the CO2 in a typical site.
I hope that's giving you all a good picture of the fact that we should just get on with it and just start doing this now. There's no excuses. So thank you, and hope to talk to all of you later. Thank you.